I did what you said. It coming like Christmas. Coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas. Like Christmas. Coming like Christmas.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog channel. It's Zoe, your favoriteest girl in the whole wide world. I left work and I'm here working, trying to get some stuff ready for my trip. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. I had to eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 6, 6, 3. Okay. I think that should be good. My machine is connected. So yeah, I'm working. I have some stuff to do. Let me show you guys how I work, okay? Ah! Yeah, this is where I go to make my my stuff. No. So I'm going to press my make button. And it's gonna cut for me. Yo, before I would have to do this by hand. Goody, not again. It's literally gonna cut out all of these hearts. What? Look at that. It's lit. So anyways, that's what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna go home and I'm going to pack. And yeah, I'm sick. Like, I'm super sick. It's crazy how sick I am. My pink eye is getting a little bit better. See, it's just got mad down to the corner. Hi. I know. But link on later when I'm done. I'm so excited. Like, this machine just helped my whole life. Like, I don't know why I didn't try it sooner, but I'm excited. Good night, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. It coming like the more I said the numbers them, it's a get real. Oh my God, today's my Popsy Moopsy's birthday! You guys, today Kamari is 1. He turned 1 today, you guys. I cannot believe it's been a whole year. You know what? Let's pause and let's hold a little moment of silence for my nephew, you guys, my one and only nephew.
Tips, beats, and tutorials.com.
Big up yourself, Kamari. Auntie loves you and misses you so freaking much. I wish I could have spent every single day of your first year with you, but the 1 week I got with you, like, our endless amount of phone calls, voice notes, WhatsApp calls, Kamari. I love you like you. I want a pit name. I love you. I can't wait to see you. Auntie soon come give you a kiss you and hug you and squeeze you. Oh my God, baby. You guys comment down below. Tell Kamari happy birthday. But anyways, this is my life right now, you guys. Yesterday, I'm just trying to close. I'll leave them alone. So right now, I'm in the midst of packing. I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians. And yeah, like I'm packing stuff. I have to work this trip. Like, I can't show not everything, but this is the Ross. This is the motive right now. So I'm gonna pack and then come back and talk to you guys. Okay? Okay, bye.
Yeah, dog. This is my legacy, my legacy. Hear me love, hear me love. I want King Chop, King Dance, all bodies. Watch out. Hey man, I wanna proud like I'm a paper tough. Me feel for rough, pull off the any skirt. Pull up like the streets, me hear them say chop blood. But tell some no if you approach me them.
Good morning, you guys. Listen to my voice. Can you believe this? Like, I'm legitimately sick. I'm legitimately sick. Yo, I'm supposed to go today. I'm supposed to go today and meet with I'm supposed to go today and meet with the companies that we work with. By the way, it's like 7 in the morning. I just got up. But yeah, we're supposed to go meet with the companies for Christmas, just to visit and stuff like that. We always do like little gifts and stuff like that. Now, where I live, my windows are huge, right? So I don't know if it's because it's getting really colder now. If just make sure my window, which it is. I don't know if it's the cold air that's coming through or what, but I have my heater. So I don't understand why I'm getting sick. And like my throat was itching me yesterday and I'm like, okay, I can feel it coming. I tried everything to, y'all ever cut your ears and it just feels so good? Hold on there. Yes, Lord. Yeah, so I don't know if it's that. I recently started taking some medication. And that was literally the night that I got sick. The night I started taking the medication. I started taking medication when? Today's Wednesday. I started taking medication. Today's Wednesday? I started taking the medication on Monday. On Monday night. Well, Tuesday when we wake up. I wasn't feeling well. Anyways, it's December the 12th. And I didn't get to put up a vlog yesterday. So you guys are more than likely going to get 2 today. I hope I get paid today. Because I have some stuff to do. And I'm broke. Make my tea. Plug, hashtag, plug, yeah, you know. Go to All Wrapped Up on Instagram. That's All Wrapped Up, ALLWRAPPEDUPP, 2 P's. You know, if you don't add on anything extra, if you don't add on an additional, it's not saying anything, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh no, pray for me. Because I cannot be sick. I really can't. Tea, pasta tea, flour, sugar, tea. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to come on here and say good morning. I'm not going to bore you guys right now. I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Something more interesting is happening. Just pray for me. Because this, like, I don't... Pray for me.